In a world where the unexpected can happen at any moment, one thing remains constant: the need for protection and peace of mind. That's where Second Call Defense comes in. Since our founding several decades ago, Second Call Defense has defended and provided legal representation to hundreds of members involved in self-defense incidents. Incidents resulting in everything from the death of their assailants, protecting against red flag firearm seizures, brandishing a firearm in self-defense, defending against vicious dogs, and everything in between. And while we are extremely proud of our record of legal protection and providing peace of mind to those that choose to defend themselves, it doesn't mean that there's no room for improvement. Introducing the new and upgraded member benefits for Second Call Defense. We understand that legal defense is not just about criminal cases, but also civil ones. That's why we now offer unlimited legal defense coverage for both criminal and civil cases, ensuring you're fully protected, no matter what. We're also excited to announce a tenfold increase in our bail bond coverage. Now you can have the peace of mind knowing that you have up to $1 million in bail bond coverage at your disposal. A lot of people don't realize that the money you put down for a bail bond does not get returned to you when your case is over. That's how the bail bond company makes money and why they're willing to take the risk. Let Second Call Defense take the risk, and you keep your money. Second Call Defense pays the upfront cash for members, nothing out of your pocket, nothing to repay. And here's the best part: we're not increasing our plan costs. That's right, more coverage, same great value. This includes new members as well as current members. But we're not done yet. Second Call Defense also covers red flag cases, provides firearm replacement, and offers up to $300,000 in accidental shooting protection. If you accidentally discharge your firearm in your home, a hotel room, on the range, even while hunting and damage someone else's property, Second Call Defense has you covered. When you choose Second Call Defense, choose with confidence. We have a 100% success rate in defending our members and a commitment to never seek reimbursement for money spent on defending a member. Ever. You can trust Second Call Defense to have your back when you need it most. Don't wait until it's too late. Join Second Call Defense today and experience the ultimate legal defense protection from expert attorneys, as well as peace of mind that only Second Call Defense provides. Once you're a member, you'll need to make 2 calls after an incident. Your first call is 911, and your second call is a Second Call Defense. Second Call Defense. You defend your life, and we'll defend your freedom and livelihood. Second Call Defense. Become a member today.